Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to give you 5 reasons why your YouTube channel is not growing no matter how many videos you've uploaded. Let's get started now.
So welcome to my channel.
One of the common reasons your channel cannot grow is that you publish extremely poor quality videos. Poor quality videos often include many things like low image quality, noisy audio, or simply videos that don't bring valuable content to viewers. It's okay to publish such kind of video once your channel has thousands of subscribers. But, don't publish them when you are just getting started. Nobody wants to subscribe to a channel with full of garbage. Making a YouTube video is like making a movie. The only difference is that when producing YouTube videos, all the steps will be greatly simplified compared to making a movie, but you still need to write the script for your video, telling your story as a video. Let viewers understand what you are trying to convey. Don't make video with no story. If you've already chosen a topic for your YouTube channel, try to focus solely on making videos on that topic. Don't be distracted by other topics. Focusing on one topic will help viewers understand what your video is about. They will consider subscribing to your channel if you want to watch your next videos. For example, my channel is about making software tutorials, software reviews, which are not a very interesting kind of video that many people will watch. However, as I keep publishing more and more tutorials, I've succeeded to pass 1,000 subscribers here and get my channel monetized. And I am very happy to see my channel grows daily. When you first started making YouTube video, your title, thumbnail and description are extremely important. Take your time to think about how to write your video title, how to make a YouTube thumbnail, and write an engaging description for your video. Finally, don't forget to listen to your viewers' feedback. Read their comments to see how they respond to your videos. The only way to know if your video content is good or bad is to read your viewers' comments. If your video gets more likes than dislikes, it's good. And vice versa, you can ask your viewers about things you can do to improve your video quality. That's everything I want to share with you in this video. I hope you learned something here. If you like the video, give me a like and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks very much for watching, and I will see you in my next videos. Bye for now.